ये है मूनशॉट क्लिप चैनल, जहां पे आप एआई, ट्रेडिंग और मनी माइंडसेट के बारे में बहुत कम समय में बहुत कुछ सीख सकते हो। सो सब्सक्राइब नाउ।
वन थिंग इफ आई हैव टू आस्क यू, अच्छी हैबिट्स को अगर डेवलप करना है तो कैसे करें? बिकॉज बहुत सारी बार वी आर फाइटिंग विथ रिमूविंग बैड हैबिट्स फ्रॉम आवर लाइफ्स, बट देन यू रियलाइज कि वो तभी होगा जब अच्छी हैबिट्स इनकलकेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो हाउ डज वन गो अबाउट डूइंग दैट?
Well, you see, first and foremost, what is a habit? A habit is a behavior which is repeated for long till it becomes automatic. A behavior which is repeated for long till it becomes automatic. Habit एक ऐसी behavior है जिसे लंबा टाइम तक आप रिपीट करेंगे तो वो नेचुरल हो जाता है एंड इट बिकम्स अ हैबिट. सो मैं लेट आया आज, कल भी मैं लेट आया, परसों भी मैं लेट आया. ए बिहेवियर विच इज़ रिपीटेड फॉर लॉन्ग, a behavior which is repeated for long. Late आना is a behavior repeated for long. Now it's become automatic. Now हर जगह पे मैं लेट पहुँचता हूँ. It's become a habit. You know, I always say habits are good servants, bad masters. You know, so the fact of the matter is, लोग बोलते हैं सर I am not disciplined. You know, I am not disciplined. What do? I want to become more disciplined. I say, you can't do anything about discipline. You can't do anything about discipline. I have never, Meghna, found a human being in this world who is indisciplined. In my 60 years of life, I have never seen an indisciplined guy in my life. All human beings on this planet are 100% disciplined. Every human being on this planet is 100% disciplined to his or her set of habits. Very disciplined man I am, every time coming late. Very disciplined man, I don't write my self-reflection book. गलती से भी नहीं लिखता हूँ. So you can't do anything about discipline, you can only do about habits. Now it is said that it takes 21 days to form an habit. Any habit. Good or bad habit, it takes 21 days. Now, why 21 days? So, suppose, and there is a concept called the law of habit. So, one is every human being is 100% disciplined to his or her set of habits. Very disciplined man. पढ़ता ही नहीं कभी. Very disciplined man. गलती से भी self reflection book नहीं लिखता. Very disciplined man. झूठ बोलता है. Very disciplined man, गलती से भी टारगेट अचीव नहीं करते. Very disciplined man to the habit of not achieving target month after month. Very disciplined man. So you can't do anything about discipline. What you can do is about habits. So it takes 21 days to form a habit, because when you do something for 7 days, so suppose you get up at 5:30 in the morning. So you got up at 5:30, 5:30, 5:30, 5:30. So if you get up 5:30 every day, by the end of 7 days, your mind starts telling you that you've been doing it for long. बहुत मुद्दतों से करा. मुद्दत बोले तो कितना दिन हो गया? 7 दिन हो गया. So your mind gets a feeling that you've been doing this 5:30 thing for a long period of time. At the end of 21 days, the mind does not know anything else except getting up in the morning. So it has become a habit.
Very true.
Now there is another law that, all habits seem natural when you have it. नहीं मैं तो night person हूँ. It seems natural when you have it. मैं तो morning person हूँ. मेरे को तो बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा, मैं तो बचपन से गुस्से वाला हूँ. All habits seem natural when you have it. You can change habits. It takes 21 days to change habits. And the beauty is you can change only one habit at a time. Yeah. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? बोले अभी 1 जनवरी आएगा 2025, तो मैं कल से 5:30 बजे उठूंगा. That's one habit. कल से मैं चलने जाऊंगा. That's 2 habits. कल से ही मैं योगा करूंगा. 3rd habit. कल से ही मैं मिठा छोड़ दूंगा. कल से ही मैं तला हुआ छोड़ दूंगा. That's bloody 5 habits. You will do it for 3 days and then you will start all over again. So you can only work on one habit at a time. So if you want to get up at 5:30 from tomorrow morning, put your alarm, get up at 5:30. And you have to do it for 21 days. Suppose you did for 4 days, you got up, and the 5th day you didn't get up at 5:30. You have to start all over from 1 and do it for 21 days. When you do for 21 days, it will become a habit. Now, the fact of the matter is, Also, I always say that, some people say, I want to make a lot of money. Some people say, I want to improve my health. Some people say, I want to improve my relationships. Lot of desires people have. Lot of desires people have. So I say, desires become deservingness. Desires becomes a deservingness by following, by doing CDSIE, consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort. CDSIE, consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort. I want to improve my relation. I desire to improve my relationship with my wife. But do you deserve to improve? I want to improve my relationship with my kids. Do you deserve to improve? I want to make money, a lot of money I want to make, but do you deserve to make money? Desires become deservingness. Your desires will become deservingness only through consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort. CDSIE. E. Let us look at the last word, effort. वजन कम करना, एफर्ट तो डालना पड़ेगा. अपने आप को डेवलप करना है, सेल्फ इम्प्रूवमेंट, एफर्ट तो डालना पड़ेगा ना मैडम. रोज रात को 2-1.5 घंटा एफर्ट तो डालना पड़ेगा. एफर्ट डाल रहा हूँ ना, मैंने अभी आपको दिखा ना, रोज लिखता हूँ बुक्स, एफर्ट तो डालना ही है. सुबह उठ के भागना है, वो भी एफर्ट है. या फिर कोई भी चीज़ के लिए एफर्ट डालना पड़ता है. तो कंसिस्टेंट, डायरेक्टेड, सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड, इंटेलिजेंट एफर्ट. इज द एफर्ट इंटेलिजेंट? Effort. Is the effort intelligent effort? Is it helping you to grow? Suppose you're in marketing, you're reading books on marketing every night for 1 hour. It's an effort. Is it an intelligent effort? Yes, of course. Because you're in marketing, you want to be a marketing genius, so it's an intelligent effort. Consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort. Is it self-motivated? Do you do it on your own? और क्या मेरे को तेरे पीछे पढ़ना पड़ता है कि बेटा पढ़ पढ़ पढ़, बेटा लिख लिख लिख? आर यू अदर्स मोटिवेटेड और सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड? Do you need me to push you to get up in the morning? Do you need me to read? Do you need me to write your daily activity reports? So desires become deservingness through consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent. Effort has to be intelligent. It should be self-motivated. It's not be others motivated. किसी ने बोला बोल के मैं सुबह उठ रहा हूँ, किसी ने बोला बोल के मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, किसी ने बोला बोल के मैं अपना रिश्ता इंप्रूव कर रहा हूँ, किसी ने बोला बोल के मैं रीडिंग कर रहा हूँ, किसी ने बोला बोल के मैं वीडियो देख रहा हूँ या ऑडियो सुन रहा हूँ, किसी ने बोला बोल के मैं ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम अटेंड कर रहा हूँ. रेगुलरली ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम अटेंड करना अपने कैपेबिलिटी को बिल्ड करने के लिए. एनीबडी कैन ट्रेड. आपका जो प्रोग्राम है या उसके बाद जितने भी प्रोग्राम हैं जो फाइनेंस को लेके, वेल्थ को लेके, वेल्थ मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए, वेल्थ मल्टीप्लिकेशन डज नॉट. डू यू डिजर्व टू हैव वेल्थ?
Yes.
Desires become deservingness only through consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort. The effort has to be put for wealth multiplication. It should be intelligent. किधर भी जाके पैसा नहीं डालने का, कोई भी तरीके से नहीं डालने का. It should be self-motivated, consistent. It should be directed. Directed towards an outcome which is progressive. And consistent means it should be daily. So consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort डालोगे, रिश्ते बनेंगे. Consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort डालोगे, वजन कम होगा. Consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort डालोगे तो self reflection regularly करोगे तो you become a better person. So consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort से ही तुमको जो desire है वो तुम डिजर्व करोगे. अदरवाइज तेरी औकात नहीं, चुपचाप बैठ. तेरी औकात नहीं पैसा बनाने की, तेरी औकात नहीं है रिश्ते तेरे इंप्रूव होने की. यू डोंट डिजर्व इट. डू यू डिजर्व ए गुड लाइफ? डू यू डिजर्व गुड हेल्थ? डू यू डिजर्व गुड रिलेशनशिप? डू यू डिजर्व वेल्थ? डू यू डिजर्व मनी? डू यू डिजर्व a great amount of people following you? Do you deserve? If I deserve that people should follow me, then I should do something which is consistent, directed, self-motivated, intelligent effort.
Right.
True. Very true.
So that's about habits, if I may say so, you know.
Brilliant.
So
Very good.
Yes.
all these are, you know, so it is normal. Any habit, whether it is good or bad, 21 days it takes. Now you have to be conscious, na? You have to write, na? You have to write and be conscious. Because what is your mechanism for self-improvement? Today, 99.999999 to infinity people don't have a personal mechanism for self-correction or self-direction. What direction are you giving? And you're waiting for some chat GPT to give you direction? Are you waiting for some, AI tool to give you direction? Google, tell me, how do I build back with my boyfriend? I just broke up. Is that the thing? You need to have your own mechanism for reflection.
I think that's
So-
a major missing point.
Yeah, people don't reflect. Now, why? And they're tired. They're tired because, all these distractions are going on. There is WhatsApp on one side, there is, Instagram on the other side, there's Facebook on the other side, there is X on the other side. So people are just distracted from one place to another place. And all these technology companies are just pulling you on towards their side because it makes business to them. But you need to be intelligent to say, no, I'm not going to use for 2 hours, or I'm going to shut it at 10 o'clock, and I'm going to shut it on only at 8 o'clock in the morning. Do you have the guts and the confidence to shut off a tool and you're 24 hours connected, which is where, because of this 24 hours connected, you're not connected with yourself. You're connected with a tool. You're not connected with yourself. So when I sit with me, at that time I'm not watching anything, and I'm watching radio or TV or whatever and bed ke likh raha hu. This is private time. This is time with me. This is me time. And we need to know, where are we going, what are we doing right, wrong, whatever. And we have to fight with ourselves, because it is easy to develop bad habits. As I said, bad habits are good servants, but bad masters. If drinking becomes your master, if eating becomes your master, if wasting time becomes your master, if Instagram becomes your master, if Facebook becomes your master, तो तुम तो गुलाम है ना उसका. So are you the master of your life, or is some tool your master? And if you are the master of your life, then do something about it. फिर रोने का नहीं.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस क्लिप वीडियो. अगर आपको ऐसे और क्लिप्स देखने हैं तो ये चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें.